In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Make.com to Instagram. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on the plus button here inside your scenario, and then you want to look for Instagram inside all apps. So type in Instagram like this, and then over here you can find Instagram for Business, and then of course it says Facebook login. So you want to click on that, and then from here you have like different events, insights, media, etc. You want to select the action you want to have. So for now, we're just going to go with something simple. I'm going to click on create a photo post. Now, whenever you click on that, it's going to create your module over here, or kind of your scenario, and then you want to click on create a connection, and then here you can give it a name. I'm just going to put in my Facebook connection as it is, and click on save. Now, when you do this, it's going to open a separate tab in your browser where it's going to prompt you to sign into your Facebook account. That's going to be the same Facebook account you actually use for your Instagram, so you must have the two connected, and whenever you click on the login button, you'll be able to authorize Instagram, and then you'll have your connection set up, okay? So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.